Some of you guys have asked me in the past, what can I do when I'm thinning out on this area? So this is the video for you guys. I choose the hairstyle of Leonardo DiCaprio because he's had that particular problem where you can see he's very pronounced on the widow's peak, but it's getting very thin on this area. So this style is going to be great for this representation. To cut this style, we're going to be using the French cutting technique. To perform this haircut, I only need to separate the top to the bottom hair. With the hair this long, I don't even need to do a section, I'm just going to comb the hair to the opposite side. I will start the haircut on the sides on the middle section. As you can see, I'm creating a very high positive angle with my fingers. The style of Leonardo DiCaprio is fall on the sides, even though it's fine. Continue using the same angle around the head. Here on the back, you can see very clearly the white line. To continue doing this haircut, we're going to be cutting the lower part of the nape area using the same angle. To cut the top area, I'm going to comb the hair on the direction it's going to be a style and follow the white line. I'm going to be cutting the same line. If you want the bangs to be a little bit long, you can always drop the angle down. Take your time to clean up the sideburns area. As you can see, I'm combing the hair forward and cleaning that corner. And the same around the ear. To make sure that the hair doesn't get blow into the other side and having all hanging in there, cut this angle to clean it out. Using a flat brush, comb the hair on the direction that you want to style the hair. This type of brush is going to be easy for your clients to use at home, so teach them how to use it so the hair looks good when they do it. Once the hair is dry, use a little bit of shear over comb using your shears with the smaller teeth so you can blend all the hairstyle. To clean up the perimeter on the nape and the sideburns, use your trimmers. When you don't have a lot of hair or your hair is very fine, the best product you can use on your hair is the hairspray to style the hair. If you want to do a style that is very business-like, professional, but it doesn't use the clippers or the fade, this is going to be a style that is going to be good for most men. And if you're thinning out your hair on this area, this style is definitely for you. If you try to hide those areas and entrance, it's going to look worse. This is Angel del Solar, the Hairbender.